So you've no doubt seen lots of people making AI versions of themselves, and quite often they're just trying to make a realistic version of themselves to put in different scenarios, and they want it to look as much like themselves as possible. But what about this? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a caricature of you just like this, and also then how to take that caricature and put it in a blister pack like this, and then how to go from that to one of these fantastic looking egg toys. And all of this is going to be done in just a few minutes. I'm also going to show you a really powerful hack that you can use to get ChatGPT to give you the results that you really, really want. And you can watch me do this and follow along live. Let's go do it. Okay, so to begin with, I have taken 10 images of myself with various different expressions, and I've uploaded them to ChatGPT just by clicking on the plus here. All right, so 10 is the maximum that you can do, and this is going to hopefully give it a bit of an idea of what I should look like, because I'm pulling different faces and doing different stuff. And now I'm just going to type my prompt in. So to begin with, we're going to look for this to be creating a really kind of nice looking caricature. So let's get the prompt in now. So what I've done is, and this is kind of how ChatGPT can be very clever, I've said I want you to take these images of me. Now ChatGPT already knows that this is me, because I've added quite a lot already before. And I've said I want you to take these images of me and create a visually impressive 3D caricature of me. Please advise the best prompt that I should use in order to get the best result. Now I'm going to hit this button over here, and hopefully ChatGPT is going to come back first by saying this is the kind of prompt, and probably ask me a couple of questions as to the result that I want to get. So let's see what happens when we do that. So instead of just saying please create a caricature of me, we've now asked it to give us the prompt. And here is the prompt. Now it's bonkers really, isn't it? Because we're asking it to do what it knows how to do, because it knew how to do it because it gave us the prompt, if you know what I mean. But anyway, there is the prompt there. And it's got optional style tweaks. This is Mid-Journey style modifier I recognise on this one here. Where to use it? Okay, so would you like me to generate a first version of this character now using AI? So we're just going to say yes, because basically what we've done is we've asked ChatGPT to kind of think about it before it does it. So let's see what the result is. And it's just pulling back the curtains now, and it is quite funny. I don't know about the YouTube stuff in the background. I guess it's because it knows me. But yeah, I mean that's a pretty good caricature. So that's a really good start. In fact, the more I look at this, the more I like it. It's got my chair in the background. It's got my beard and my hair. Kind of, is quite realistic. Yeah, it's funny. I don't even know what changes I'd make to this. Obviously I'm wearing a black t-shirt, which is pretty standard for me. It's either black or white usually. So yeah, that's pretty good. So we're going to go a step further now. Now we've got this caricature. I've said great thank you. Now let me just tell you this, right? If AI takes over the world, we just got to be polite so that they don't come for us. All right, so always be polite. Great, thank you. Now please take this caricature and turn it into a toy in a transparent egg-shaped package showing head to toe. I'm going to see if it can get full body there, with accessories, microphone, headphones, camera. Let's see if it can do this. Okay, so it's just pulling back those curtains right now. I have no idea what to expect. So let's put my full name in there. Okay, that's interesting. So okay, I didn't ask it to put my full name in there, but it clearly knows who I am. But what's it going to be inside it? Oh God, look at the bald egghead. Do you know, I used to have so much hair, but that's, yeah, that's another story. Let me pause this while it's because it's taking a bit of time. That's funny, but it's not quite what I wanted. But I know why it's doing that. It's because I've been trying to get these kind of blister pack things going for quite some time. But you might notice the microphone is there, the headset is there, the headphones are there, but there's no camera. So I'm going to re-ask it to do that. But I don't want this cardboard thing. I just want the whole thing to be an oval, 3D oval package. Okay, so I've asked it, I said great, first of all. However, could you take away the cardboard blister pack and have the character in a complete egg-shaped, transparent plastic retail package? Also, add the camera and change my name to Mini Trev. Let's see if it does that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. So look guys, we've managed to create this pretty impressive looking mini me in a toy package. And yeah, I think that's really good. So I'm going to put all the prompts below this video, but basically we've taken 10 images there, we've asked ChatGPT how to prompt it, and then once it's thought about it, we've then said, yeah, go ahead and make. This is the first one that it created, which I think is great. Then this is the second one, which was, although not what I was looking for, I really like it. And then Into the Egg, which I think is just fantastic. So give this a go, guys. It's really simple, and I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please smash that like button, and maybe let me know in the comments below how it went for you. I'll speak to you soon. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, why not subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any free content that I post, which is quite often these days. And go ahead, do me a favor, create your own caricature, and if possible, leave me a link in the comments below so I can take a look at it. I'd love to see it. I'll speak to you soon. All the best.